Hello everybody. Today I would like to talk about busy. Some people when they work, they know they get time. Every time they go say some go say that they travel, some go say they wan go do this one, or some go say they wan go carry this one. Every time they always busy. They know they get time for house. Even if they get anything to do, they go say no, 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 no. They go say they wan leave the thing because they wan travel, they wan go here, they wan come here. But that one no go make home, especially when you be family person. Dat thing no go help you for home. Sometimes e good make you still dey concentrate on wetin you dey do for house. Not every time office work, office this, office that. No. Dis family, she dey work, she get two children. Every time wey she come, the man dey work too, the man dey go maybe 3 days out. When the man come back, e dey get time for home. But the woman, she dey go dey come, she dey work na hours she dey work. But when she come home, she no dey even care whether im children dey eat, whether the children don do their homework, whether the children dey sleep or the children dey do. She no dey even dey care. All her own, when she don come back from work, she go carry computer. That means she dey still dey work for house too. She go say she dey busy. Even if the children come from school, even to greet the children, she go say no, she dey busy. She go carry computer, kpa 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 kpa, dey type, dey do something. Sometimes ask your children wetin happen, how school be, what of their homework. Dis woman no dey get time. So dis woman continue to dey live like this. When the man go travel come, the man sometimes dey stay with the children to make them happy, to ask them how school, how the time when e take miss them. The man dey always ask. But dis woman, no. So when dis woman behavior come dey be like this, even im own husband, she no dey get time for im own husband because that im computer na dey make am dey busy. At the end of everything, the man come say no, he no go fit live with dis woman. He no dey even take care of im children, no dey take care of nothing, only work, work, work. Say he no fit like that. The woman no dey fit, no dey make him happy. The man na come separate from the woman. So when dis man separate from the woman, the man bin want im children, but the woman say no, he want im children. So the man accept, he leave the children with dis woman. But dis same woman, na computer na be her everything. She no wan know whether anybody dey or nobody dey house. He no care so long the computer dey with am. When she go work come, computer na everything for her. Till im senior daughter come dey get problem for school. Her friends sometimes dem go dey mock am, sometimes dem go dey beat am, dey push am, dey do everything. So people, I fit say bullying, the way dem dey maltreat the girl for school. So dis thing no make dis girl dey happy. When she come home, she go wan tell her mother, but her mother go say no, make you leave that conversation for later. She dey with her computer. So one day, the girl come just come, wey dem really give the girl real beating for school. Her friends, her classmates really give the girl real beating. When the girl come cry come house, she no see who e go tell. So she only call her girlfriend say look, he no go back to that school again. Say he don tire, he don dey fed up because he no know wetin he dey do wey make him deserve those beating for school. Say no, she wan give up, he no go school again. So when she reach house now, so now her girlfriend come advise her say good, make you tell your mother this thing. He say im mother no dey even get time to lis ten to her. All her own na just computer im mother dey after. So she come call im father, come tell im father say look wetin dey happen to am. So im father no dey happy when he hear this situation. So the father now, when he come back for im travelling, he go straight to the school, go lay the complaint say look wetin dey happen to im daughter. He no sure say im go fit happy or make him take that thing from anybody. Say look now, im daughter no wan come school and the beating dey too much. So the director from the school na come talk say okay, im go sit to the case. So he come call them, make dem no dey maltreat the girl again, make dem no dey treat the girl like that again. So the girl come say okay. After about some weeks, the thing start again. If the girl dey come, they go just give the girl space, dey mock the girl, dey tell the girl all sort of things. So this thing come dey disturb this girl. So Then the father, the guy can call the father again. Come tell am say, see, they don start again. So the father now called him ex-wife, tell am say, look, this maltreatment don too much. You no go fit take am like that. You no dey get time to sit with your daughter, make you ask her wetin dey happen to her. See wetin dey go, see wetin your daughter dey go through now, and you dey there, you no fit do anything. The woman say e no know, the daughter no tell her. How the daughter go take tell her when she no dey give her daughter the years, when every time na computer she dey always dey on. She go go work computer, she go come home computer. So na computer be na im be the woman everything for home. So the thing come dey too much like that, dey go, dey go, dey go. So till one day, the guy just give up. Say no, the guy just go take tablets. Say he wan end up everything because he no dey see years, he no dey fit again. If he go, he no dey school, he no dey fit go, house he no dey fit stay, nothing. Say he wan just take off and take everything, make he end up everything. So the day when she do this thing, jot note down for im mother. Then she take tablet, she drink. So as God go help the girl, when the girl no come, because they don dey, her girlfriend come go tell the director say, see wetin im suspect say im girlfriend wan do, because im girlfriend tell am say, look, im no go fit stand this thing again. Say im wan go dey live with im father, but im mother no gree. Say so today na the best day wey she go take those things, see wetin she wan do. So when true she no come school class na the director call the girl mother say, your daughter no come school o, see wetin dem suspect say she wan do. Na the woman say e no believe say daughter go fit do that thing. But when they reach home na, dem surprise see say the girl don true take the tablet. So but God stand for everything, the situation. They rush the girl go hospital. When they rush the girl reach hospital, they can't do everything like that. The girl stay just some hours, the girl fit dey okay. The next day, they discharge the girl. So when they take the girl reach hospital now, so when the doctor come see everything, they come clean the stomach for because of the tablet when the girl take, then they come discharge the girl, go home. Maybe the girl stay just 1.5 days for hospital, then the girl go back home. So the girl reach home, come talk say he no go fit live again with im mother, and that school he not sure say he go fit go that school again. Because you see why some people, some men go say, why dem take dem marry this woman to take care of the home, but this woman say he like to dey work. Okay, now when she dey work, she no dey care for the home, she no dey care for im children. All wetin she dey after her computer. Okay, see wetin im daughter dey go through, she no care. All wetin she care of, that her computer. Okay, now the girl na after everything, the girl say wan go dey live with im father. So the girl comot go stay with im father. The woman make problem say he want im daughter back home again. Say he want im daughter back home. So now the daughter say if he go come back, but he no go fit go back to that school again, because that school he no sure say he go fit stand the people there again. He no know wetin he do, and he no deserve all this treatment wey dem dey give am. It's better make dem change the school for her. But as the girl talk that thing, everybody, im friends, everybody, im own junior sister agree with her say yes, because one day the girl dey go kill am for school. Because why they hate that girl, nobody know. Nobody know why they hate the girl reach like that. So the girl come decide, the father they come change the girl to different school. So this new school wey this girl dey, she get, and this time she come dey live with her father, e no fit live with her mother again. So this new school wey this girl go, na there she get rest of mind, na there she get happiness, get everything wey she want, and with the care of her father too, and her stepmother, she dey happy. Why some women dem feel say when dem dey work, na that work dem concentrate on, na that work be their happiness, na that work be their everything. But not true. When you go work, that work when you dey go, na to help the home, na to pay some bills and pay other things. Your real happiness na your home, your real happiness dey, not work when you dey work. Work na to pay bills, to pay anything when you want, but not be the happiness everything, because her husband dey work. This woman husband dey work. So viewers, thanks for watching my video. If na the first time you dey look my video or dey watch my video, just comment or give me thumb